What's up, my friends? Goofy Bastard here. So, lately I've been having a problem with the YouTubes. So, anytime I leave a comment on somebody's video, they don't see it. And I've noticed this because most of the people that respond to my comments in their videos haven't been replying back to what I've left. So for whatever reason, nobody's seeing them. I reached out to Mr. Motor Ramblings, Patrick, because I always reply to his, or always comment on his videos. And I asked him if he had seen the comments I left for him. And he said no, he hadn't gotten anything. So then he wound up checking in his YouTube studio, and he found them in there. And so it's kind of weird that I don't know why my comments are not posting on his in the comments. Now, if I go to the video and look at the comments in the video, my comments show there. So I don't know what the situation with that is. If y'all know what it is, please feel free to fill me in and let me know so I can fix this. So, you know, I like the interaction with the different channels, and it's a good time. So if you guys know what the situation might be and how to fix it, you know, I'd appreciate if you guys would let me know. Yeah. So it's kind of fucked up. And this light is kind of fucked up too. I don't know why it's not turning green for us. It's messed up. I don't get it. I'm just gonna pretty much so run it in a second, because this light ain't gonna turn. Oh, there's a cop right down there. He's probably setting off the fucking thing to so he has the ability to go through the lights. He has to turn that shit off. Like, what the fuck, man? Yeah, it's probably his sensor for the lights. So, anyway, I don't know what's going on down here. All kind of fucking flashing lights. Shit. So anyway, yeah, like I said, if you know what my issue might be and why my comments aren't being shown on YouTube, and if I normally comment on your videos, please check your YouTube studio to see if my comments are there, because I have left a bunch of comments for people that apparently they haven't seen or they haven't responded to. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out what's going on eventually. Maybe YouTube will fix itself. So anyway, my friends, this is where I'm going to end the video. Like I said, if you can help me, please help me. All right. Until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.